Listen, children, carefully. As I had mentioned you earlier, that we should have balanced diet. What is balanced diet? A diet that contains all the nutrients or all the components of food in proper proportion, then it's considered to be balanced diet. So prepare a chart of whatever you eat over a period of a week. Check whether all the nutrients mentioned are present in one or the other food items being eaten within a day or so. Okay, this activity you carry out at home. Next, pulses, groundnuts, soybean, sprouted seeds. Then a combination of flours. Then banana, spinach, sattu, jaggery. Available vegetables and other such foods provide many nutrients. Therefore, one can eat a balanced diet without expensive food materials. Not necessary that you have to eat nuts or dry fruits to get everything. No. Simply taking dry fruits or costly things as food item doesn't improve your health, because all the dry fruits doesn't contain all the nutrients. Now, eating the right kind of food is not enough. It should also be cooked properly. Few things you can eat raw, like fruits you can eat raw. You should not cook fruit before eating. Almost all the fruits which are available in the market, we eat it raw. Right? Then vegetables, that has to be cooked. Almost all the vegetables are to be cooked properly and then should be consumed so that it gets digested in your body and proper nutrition your body can have. Eating the right kind of food is not enough. It should be cooked properly so that its nutrients are not lost. Are you aware that some nutrients get lost in the process of cooking and preparation? Yes. Even sometimes when we wash the vegetables or fruits after cutting or peeling them. So it becomes necessary to take care before eating cooked food or raw food. Let's see what happens if we don't take care of it. The nutrients get lost in the process of cooking and preparation. Secondly, if the vegetables and fruits which are to be eaten raw, if it is washed after cutting or peeling them, then they lose nutrients. And the skins of many vegetables and fruits contain vitamins and minerals. So, you should not wash after peeling or cutting the vegetables. You should clean the fruits or vegetables, wash it properly before peeling or cutting it. Repeated washing of rice and pulses may remove some vitamins and minerals present in them. We all know that cooking improves the taste of food and makes it easier to digest. At the same, cooking also results in the loss of certain nutrients. Many useful proteins and considerable amounts of minerals are lost if excess water is used during cooking and is then thrown away. Take an example of rice. When you cook rice in a cooker, all its nutrient remains intact in the vessel. But if we cook rice in an open vessel, what do? We strain out the excess water and then we store it in another hot pot. While straining rice, cooked rice, what happens? It loses its nutrients along with the water strained out. That's why we have to be very much careful before and while cooking the food. Vitamin C gets easily destroyed by heating during cooking. Would it not be sensible to include some fruits and raw vegetables in our diet? Yes, fruits and vegetables, especially the vegetables which we can eat raw, should be consumed raw. If it is easily digestible, eating raw. Fruits we know, we do eat it raw. But what care you have to take? You have to see that you don't peel and cut the fruits and then wash it before eating. No, you should first wash it and then peel or cut the fruit to eat. Our next topic and the last topic is about obesity and deficiency disease. First, we'll take the word obesity. When a person keeps on eating the food which is rich in fat continuously for some long time, then what happens? Fat gets stored in his body and he may end up suffering from a condition called obesity. Now we move on to deficiency disease. A person may be getting enough food to eat, but sometimes the food may not contain a particular nutrient. If this continues over a long period of time, the person may suffer from its deficiency. Deficiency of one or more nutrients can cause diseases or disorders in our body. Diseases that occur due to lack of nutrients over a long period are called deficiency disease. So children, while I was reading the lines for you from the textbook, we had come across two words. One is obesity and the second one is deficiency, and the third one, it's a group of two words, that is deficiency diseases. Obesity, अब तक तो समझ में आ गया होगा व्हाट इज ओबेसिटी। जब आप ज़्यादा खा लेते हो और कुछ काम नहीं करते हो, देयर आर टू वेज, आइदर यू ईट अप लॉट ऑफ फैटी थिंग्स एंड योर अमाउंट ऑफ वर्क इज लेस, इट गेट्स स्टोर्ड इन योर बॉडी और आप मोटे होते जा रहे हो, तो क्या होता है? ओबेसिटी कहते हैं, उसको कहते हैं ओबेसिटी, राइट। सेकेंडली, व्हेन यू ईट एवरीथिंग, बैलेंस डाइट यू आर ईटिंग, बट यू हैव नथिंग टू डू, यू हैव सेडेंटरी वर्क, आप बैठे बैठे काम करते हो, खड़े होकर कोई फिजिकल एक्सरसाइज नहीं रहता, देन व्हाट हैपेंस, यू नो, फैट गेट्स स्टोर्ड इन योर बॉडी, सो अगेन दैट क्रिएट्स ओबेसिटी। सो वॉट एवर यू ईट, that doesn't mean that when you have balanced diet you are not going to fall sick or you are not going to have obesity. No, along with balanced diet it becomes necessary that you do proper amount of exercise also. So to avoid obesity, have healthy balanced diet, do exercise, required amount of exercise every day, that will keep you healthy. If your body is healthy, then your also mind will be healthy and you will be cheerful. Now, deficiency. ગુજરાતીમાં એને આપણે ઉણપ કહીએ છીએ, બરાબર? Deficiency occurs when one or two nutrients are not present regularly in your diet, and then after long time that nutrient is not found or its importance is not found in your body, so deficiency disease occurs or is seen in your body. So it becomes necessary to have diet which contains all the components in proper proportion. If in any case 1 or 2 days you could not have, then next time you see that you have those food items which provide you the required nutrients. Here you can see some diseases or disorders caused by deficiency of vitamins and minerals. Vitamin A deficiency loss of vision, your vision becomes poor, and symptoms are, मतलब कैसे पता चले कि इट्स विटामिन ए डेफिशिएंसी, यू आर सफरिंग फ्रॉम विटामिन ए डेफिशिएंसी. सो इट्स पुअर विज़न, लॉस ऑफ विज़न इन डार्कनेस, रात को आप देख नहीं सकते उसमें. समटाइम्स कंप्लीट लॉस ऑफ विज़न, कभी कभार आप देखना ही मीन्स आप देखना ही बंद कर दो, मतलब आप देख नहीं पाओगे कंप्लीटली, आप अंधे हो जाओगे. प्रोलॉन्ग्ड विटामिन ए डेफिशिएंसी से क्या होता है, आपका विज़न पुअर हो जाता है. अगर वो डेफिशिएंसी और भी प्रोलॉन्ग होता है तो क्या हो जाता है, यू लूज़ योर आई साइट. देन विटामिन B1, विटामिन B1 डिसऑर्डर बेरी, जहाँ पे आपके मसल्स, योर मसल्स बिकम वीक and very little energy to work. You get tired while climbing the stairs. You cannot even walk for long time, and because of the weak muscles. So to make your muscles strong, you need to have vitamin B1. Next is vitamin C. Deficiency of vitamin C causes scurvy, bleeding gums. Bleeding gums मतलब मुंह में खून आए, मतलब मसूड़े में आपको क्या दिखे, खून दिखे, ब्लड. यू विल फाइंड ब्लीडिंग गम्स. व्हेन यू ब्रश द टीथ यू विल फाइंड दैट ब्लड कम्स आउट फ्रॉम द गम. देन वुंड्स टेक लॉन्गर टाइम टू हील, दैट इज माउथ सोर और इवन एनी वुंड caused on your body, it will take long time to heal. Vitamin D, the disease which is caused due to its deficiency is rickets. Ricket, where bones become soft and bent. Bones become soft and bent, brittle bones. Calcium, bone and tooth decay. Weak bones, tooth decay मतलब दांतों का सड़ना. Iodine, goiter. Goiter is a disease where you can find near the neck. Glands in the neck appear swollen. वो सूज जाता है, फूल जाता है. एंड मेंटल डिसेबिलिटी इन द चिल्ड्रन, मानसिक बीमारी बच्चों में पाई जाती है अगर आयोडीन डेफिशिएंसी होता है तब. एंड द लास्ट वन, आयरन. डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ आयरन कॉजेज एनीमिया. एनीमिया इज दैट डिजीज वेयर HB count goes low, and because of that your body feels weak. Lot of weaknesses can be found in the body and you will feel lethargic and lazy. So we end up the chapter with the conclusion that whatever food we take, we should keep in mind our food should be hygienic and our diet should be balanced diet. Now you can see in this picture keywords which we had come across: balanced diet, berry, carbohydrates, energy, fats, minerals, nutrients, proteins, roughage, scurvy, starch, vitamins.